Yo vlog fam, you won't believe how many times I've recorded this intro because my gimbal is malfunctioning. So today's the actual trip of Orlando, but first we're going to be going to Manchester. So yeah, I actually have a guest. Come on, guest. So yeah, the whole plan is to go to Manchester today and then tomorrow is the flights. So hopefully everything just works and we'll see you back in Manchester. See you then. So we're in Manchester now, we're actually in the hotel. We've already dropped our stuff off, but I'm going to show you the hotel room. Look at Lazy Bones over there. There she is. So yeah, this is the hotel room. Not shabby, look, there's the view. Don't come stalk me. I know, well they don't know it's freebie actually, yeah? You can see it, oh you can't see through it on the video. Oh, you can see even more through this side. Look, wave to the camera. You can see through. And I figured it out that this button is so weird. So you can see Fran on the other side. I'm gonna press it.
Oh my god, I can't see you anymore.
No, but I can still slightly see you.
That's not fair.
No, try and wave. Kind of, but not really. And there you go. Yeah. That's so weird. Oh, you can slightly see a shadow, but I wonder if it's because there's light in the room. But that's so weird. So we're relaxing a little bit now. I've got some squishies and I'm watching a video about robots. So yeah, we're going to charge our phones a little bit now and then we're actually going to go and look for food. We've seen on Google Maps that they have Burger King, McDonald's and Taco Bell. So we're thinking we're probably going to go for Taco Bell. But yeah, I'm going to review my food or try my best to do so. Depends if there's too many people since it is a bank holiday. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy my squishies and we'll see you back in a bit. We're off at Taco Bell now and I've changed a setting on this phone that stops it from isolating my voice when Fran would speak. So yeah, I've also made it 4K, but I think that only affects the back camera. So yeah, we're gonna go to Taco Bell and we'll see you at Taco Bell. Higher again? No way. I'm in 4K now hopefully and I got myself some canned water. Canned water. So I've turned the 4K off now because it actually looked a bit blurry, so we're going to see the difference between that and this. So yeah, we'll see you back at Taco Bell. So we came out and it's literally pissing it down. Look, every single person literally hiding or with umbrellas. English weather. Back to the hotel now and we got our Taco Bell and they got the order wrong. I don't want to review it obviously for that reason. So yeah, we're going to enjoy our Taco Bell and we'll see you back in a bit. Right, so low quality now because I've got most of the lights off, but I'm struggling to turn this one off. So yeah, I don't have a clue literally how to do it. So we figured out everything, pressed every light switch and it's still on. We found the light switch now, so yeah, we're going to say good night, good night.